Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, your #1 source for all things related to business, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: 10 services that will never go out of business. These are the core sectors that remain unwavering, even amid economic fluctuations. They're the sectors that people will always need, ensuring their sustained demand and profitability. Intriguing, right? Well, prepare to be enlightened. So without further ado, let's dive into these timeless services. Timeless. Starting off our list is healthcare, a service that's as vital as the air we breathe. From the day we're born to our final moments, healthcare plays an irreplaceable role in our lives. It's the beacon of hope in times of illness, the steady hand that guides us back to wellness, and the shield that protects us from unseen health threats. The demand for healthcare is constant and unyielding. As long as there are people, there's a need for medical professionals, medicines, therapies, and health facilities. It's a service that transcends borders, cultures, and socioeconomic status. Moreover, with the ongoing advancements in medicine and technology, the healthcare industry continues to evolve, offering new treatments, preventive measures, and improving the quality of life. It's not just about curing illnesses anymore, it's about promoting overall well-being. With health as a top priority for all, healthcare indeed stands as a service that will never fade. Next up on our list is the food industry. A giant in the realm of unending services, the food industry is a pillar of our daily lives. It's not just about the basic human need to eat, it's about the variety, the culture, the experience of food that fuels its omnipresence. From farm to table, fast food to fine dining, supermarkets to online grocery shopping, the food industry encompasses a vast array of services and businesses. It's a sector that's constantly innovating, adapting to trends, dietary needs, and the ever-changing tastes of consumers. But at its core, the food industry thrives because of its undying demand. People will always need to eat, and as long as there are mouths to feed, the food industry will persist. It's an industry that's not just about survival, but about comfort, pleasure, and community. Food is a basic necessity, making the food industry an evergreen service. Moving on, we have education. Picture a world without education. It's virtually impossible, isn't it? That's because education is the foundation of our society. It's the vehicle that drives progress, innovation, and individual growth. It's a powerful tool that empowers people and transforms societies. Education is not just about learning facts, but rather about learning how to think. It equips us with the skills and knowledge needed to navigate the world, solve problems, make informed decisions, and contribute to our communities. Moreover, in our rapidly evolving world, the demand for education is higher than ever. As we face new challenges and opportunities, the need to learn, adapt, and grow becomes increasingly important. Whether it's traditional classroom learning, online courses, vocational training, or lifelong learning initiatives, the education sector continues to expand and evolve to meet these demands. The thirst for knowledge is unending, making education an indispensable service. Next in line, we have housing. Ever since the first humans sought shelter in caves, housing has been a crucial part of our lives. It's not just about having a roof over our heads, it's about security, comfort, and the space to live our lives as we see fit. The demand for housing, whether it's renting an apartment or buying a dream home, is always high. This is because the need for shelter is universal and constant. No matter the state of the economy, people will always need a place to live. And it's not just residential housing. Commercial real estate, from office spaces to retail stores, plays a vital role in our society. Entrepreneurs need physical locations to run their businesses, and employees need places to work. In conclusion, housing in all its forms is a service that will always be in demand. It's a cornerstone of our society and a fundamental part of our daily lives. A roof over one's head is a basic need. Hence, housing is a service that will stand the test of time. At the midpoint of our list, we have utilities. These are the fundamental services that keep our homes and businesses running smoothly. From water to electricity, gas to internet connectivity, these are the lifelines of the modern world. Imagine a day without electricity or a week without internet. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? That's because our lives are intertwined with these utilities. They power our homes, our devices, and our lives. This constant demand ensures that the utilities industry will always have a market. No matter the technological advancements, the need for basic utilities remains constant. Moreover, as the world continues to urbanize and populations grow, the demand for utilities is only set to increase. Not to mention, the push for renewable energy and sustainable utilities opens new avenues for this service sector. Given the modern lifestyle, utilities are a service that will always be in demand. On the move, we have transportation. This service is the backbone of our modern society. From the trucks that deliver our goods to the taxis, buses, and trains that get us from point A to point B, transportation is an integral part of our daily lives. It's a service that brings the world to our doorstep and takes us on journeys beyond our wildest dreams. But it's not just about convenience, it's about necessity. Think about it. How would you get to work, school, or even the grocery store without some form of transportation? How would businesses deliver their products without trucks, ships, or planes? The answer is they wouldn't. Transportation is a service that's always in demand. It's a constant in an ever-changing world, one that we often take for granted. But it's a service that's here to stay because, quite simply, we can't live without it. As long as people and goods need to move, transportation remains an unfading service. Up next, we have technology. Imagine a world without smartphones, internet, or even simple gadgets like electric kettles. Sounds unthinkable, right? That's because technology has become an integral part of our lives, making everyday tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, we're surrounded by technology. It's in our homes, our workplaces, our schools, and even in our pockets. It's hard to imagine a sector of the economy that hasn't been touched by the digital revolution, be it communication, entertainment, healthcare, or even agriculture. Technology's omnipresence is undeniable. Moreover, the demand for technological advancements is insatiable. We're always looking for the next big thing that can make our lives even easier, and entrepreneurs are constantly working to meet that demand. With the pace of innovation only speeding up, the technology sector is one that will never go out of business. In an era of digital transformation, technology is a service that will never lose its charm. Fixing its spot at number 8, we have repair and maintenance. This is a service that stands the test of time. Why? Because it's a simple fact of life. Things break. Cars, appliances, technology, you name it. And when they do, we need skilled professionals to fix them. Repair and maintenance is a broad field covering everything from auto mechanics to IT specialists. These professionals ensure that our world keeps running smoothly. They help maintain the items we depend on each day, extending their lifespan and saving us the cost of replacements. The demand for these services is steady and shows no signs of slowing down. As our world becomes more complex, the need for knowledgeable professionals to maintain and repair our possessions only grows. So whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or repairing a computer, these services are invaluable. As long as things break down, repair and maintenance is a service that will never be obsolete. Securing the 9th spot, we have financial services. Now, why are financial services so essential, you might ask? Well, they are the backbone of any economy. Whether it's managing your hard-earned money, investing it wisely, or securing loans for your dream home or business, financial services play a crucial role. But it's not just about money management. These services also help you plan for the future. Think retirement plans, insurance policies, and estate planning. They ensure financial security for you and your loved ones come what may. And let's not forget the businesses that rely on financial services for their operations. From startups seeking capital to established companies managing their finances, these services are indispensable. The demand for financial services is constant and even growing. With advancements in technology and the rise of the digital economy, they have adapted to offer more accessible and diversified solutions. In a world driven by money, financial services is a service that will always be sought after. Last but not least, we have personal care. In a world that's increasingly fast-paced, the need for personal care services remains a constant. These services, ranging from hair salons and spas to personal training and diet consultation, cater to our desire to look and feel our best. As our lives get busier, the convenience of having professionals take care of these needs has grown in importance. Think about it. Who doesn't enjoy a relaxing massage after a long week at work, or appreciate the expertise of a personal trainer in achieving fitness goals? These services not only help us maintain our physical well-being, but also our mental and emotional health. Moreover, the personal care industry has shown resilience in the face of economic downturns. Even in tough times, people prioritize these services, often viewing them as a necessary indulgence. Furthermore, as societal attitudes continue to evolve, self-care is becoming more of a priority than ever before. With self-care becoming a priority, personal care is a service that will never go out of style. And there we have it, the 10 services that will never go out of business. From healthcare to personal care, these sectors have proven to be resilient and everlasting. The food industry, housing, utilities, transportation, technology, repair and maintenance, and financial services all are essential pillars of our society. Remember, as an entrepreneur, aligning your business with these services could assure its sustainability. Thank you for joining us at House Lux Estate today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay savvy.